Hello friends, today we look at data types, specifically looking at the geographical data. So imagine you want to add data about countries like I have here. I have all the capital cities of all these countries and the images of all these capital cities. So how can I quickly add all this data? How long do you think it took me to add all this data in this spreadsheet? So it just, let me see how many countries. It's 54 countries that I have, the African countries, and I added the images that Excel can find on the internet. How long do you think it took me? So I can tell you now, it took me 5 seconds to do it. But how can you do it? So you make use of the data types, which is geographical. So I'll show you just in a little while. So let's go here where I have my countries. So I have my 54 countries. So the first thing to do is to change your data to geographical. So if you go under data here, you can see here there is geographical. Then you can select geographical and it changes all this data into geographical data. Then it can be able to read that it's a geographical data. Okay, it's done changing. So what I can do is I can call the properties of a country, because as a geographical region, Zimbabwe has its characteristics or its properties. Like the largest city, I can say I want to see the largest city, so which is the capital or major city. Then if I call the capital city, because again it is a geographical property and it has geographical aspects of itself, like images and so on. So I can then say I want to see image. Then there it brings an image. Let me just resize it a bit so that it can be a bit more visible. Okay, there you have it, the image of Harare. So these are quite various images of Harare, the capital city of Zimbabwe. Then what I can just do is I can then copy it to across all the other countries. Then you can see it could find all these capital cities of all the other countries, but sometimes it doesn't find the image for a particular country. So I mean, I'm not too worried about it. Then I'll just go and Google for these images and paste them physically. But at least I have majority of my cities populated with the images, so then I can just resize them. So I'll resize them all to be equal to my Zimbabwe here. Then I can see all the images. So I have all my images now. And it took me just a few seconds to accomplish. So that's how you can harness the data types and the properties here to be much efficient and faster in Excel. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget to hit the like button, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you can get notifications when I upload new videos. And also other Excel users can easily find my channel and be able to also benefit. Thank you. Bye-bye.